What is your schedule? Maybe you understand the words, but you don't know how to answer. Don't worry. Today, you will learn how to talk about schedules in English in a very simple and natural way. Please listen carefully, and if you can, repeat after me. Today, let's listen to a real, simple conversation. Two people, talking about work, talking about daily life, talking about schedules. Let's begin. Hi, good morning, Anna.
Good morning, Ben.
I'm Ben. I work here.
Hi, Ben. I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
Is this your first day?
Yes, it is.
Welcome. So, what is your schedule?
My schedule? It's quite busy, but I like it.
Really? What do you do in the morning at work?
In the morning, I check emails first.
Emails?
Yes, I read emails from my manager and my team.
I do that too. I usually check emails at 8:30.
I check them at 9. After that, I start my tasks.
What kind of tasks do you do?
I prepare reports and update files.
That sounds interesting.
Sometimes it is. Sometimes it's a bit boring.
I understand. My job is similar. I work with data.
Data?
Yes, I look at numbers, reports, and schedules.
Oh, schedules again.
Yes, schedules are important at work.
That's true. Without a schedule, the day is messy.
Exactly. Do you have a lunch break?
Yes, I do. I have lunch at 12.
Me too. Where do you eat lunch?
Usually at the office cafeteria.
Same here. What do you usually eat?
I eat rice, vegetables, and chicken.
That's healthy.
I try to eat healthy during the week.
During the week?
Yes. On weekends, I eat whatever I like.
That sounds like me.
What time is your lunch break?
From 12 to 1.
Mine is the same.
After lunch, do you feel sleepy?
Sometimes, yes.
Me too. After lunch, I drink coffee.
I drink tea.
Tea is good. What do you do in the afternoon at work?
In the afternoon, I have meetings.
Meetings?
Yes, small meetings with my team.
How long are the meetings?
Usually 30 minutes.
That's not too long.
Yes, I like short meetings.
Me too. Long meetings are tiring.
After meetings, I finish my tasks.
Do you make a to-do list?
Yes, every morning.
That's a good habit.
It helps me follow my schedule.
I make a list too, but sometimes I don't finish everything.
That's okay. Some days are busy.
True. What time do you usually leave the office?
Around 5 p.m.
And after work?
After work, I go home.
Do you go straight home?
Yes, most days.
I sometimes go to the supermarket.
After work?
Yes, around 5:30.
I usually go shopping on weekends.
That's smart. Weekdays are tiring.
What do you do when you get home?
First, I take a shower.
Me too.
Then I cook dinner.
Do you cook every day?
Not every day. Sometimes I order food.
I order food on busy days.
What time do you eat dinner?
Around 7.
Same here.
After dinner, I clean the kitchen.
I do that too, but slowly.
Cleaning is not fun.
No, it isn't.
What do you do after dinner?
I watch TV or check my phone.
I read or listen to music.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, it helps me relax after a long day.
Do you study English at night?
Sometimes, I study for 20 minutes.
That's good.
I don't study too long. I get tired.
Short study time is better.
What about you?
I study English 3 times a week.
In the evening?
Yes, around 8:30.
Do you study alone?
Yes, or with videos online.
I like videos too. They're easy to follow.
What time do you usually relax?
Around 9 p.m.
What do you do at that time?
I watch something light or talk to my family.
I call my parents sometimes.
That's nice.
Family time is important.
Yes, even on busy days.
What time do you usually go to bed on weekdays?
Around 11 p.m.
Do you sleep well?
Most days, yes.
I sleep better when I follow my schedule.
Me too. A good schedule helps a lot.
How about weekends? Is your schedule different?
Very different.
Tell me about it.
On Saturday, I wake up late.
What time?
Around 9 or 10.
That's nice.
Then I clean my room and do laundry.
I do laundry on Saturday too.
In the afternoon, I meet friends or go out.
I usually stay home on Saturday afternoon.
Really?
Yes, I like quiet time.
On Sunday, I rest more.
Me too. Sunday is my rest day.
I prepare for the next week on Sunday evening.
That's a good habit.
I check my schedule and plan my week.
I do that too. It makes Monday easier.
Monday mornings are hard.
Yes, but a good schedule helps.
I agree.
So, your day is busy but balanced.
Yes, work, rest, and some fun.
That's the best schedule.
What about you? Do you like your routine?
Yes, I do. It's simple, but it works.
Simple is good.
Simple schedules are easy to follow.
And easy to talk about in English.
Before we finish today's video, let's take a moment to review what you've learned. Today, you learned how to talk about your daily schedule in English in a very simple and natural way.
You don't need difficult grammar. You don't need long sentences. You just need clear, everyday language.
Exactly. When you talk about schedules, you can start with time expressions like in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night. Or you can use specific times, such as at 7 a.m., at 12 p.m., at 6:30 p.m.
You also learned some very useful verbs to talk about routines, like wake up, go to work, have lunch, finish work, relax, go to bed. These verbs are common. Native speakers use them every day, and now you can use them too.
And remember, when you talk about schedules, you usually use the present simple tense because you're talking about things you do regularly. For example, I wake up at 6 a.m. I work from 9 to 5. I have dinner with my family. Simple, clear, natural.
You don't have to sound perfect. You just need to sound understandable. Making small mistakes is okay. Speaking slowly is okay. The most important thing is you practice.
Now we'd love to hear from you. In the comments, try to write 1 or 2 sentences about your daily schedule. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. and start work at 9. In the evening, I relax and watch TV. Just keep it simple.
And if you want, you can also answer this question in the comments. What is your busiest time of the day? Morning, afternoon, or evening? We read your comments and your answers help us create better videos for you.
If this video helped you feel more confident talking about schedules in English, please like the video. It really supports the channel. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next video in this series. Thanks for learning English with us today.
See you in the next video. Bye!